Listen carefully. He was invisible. Now, unstoppable. Let's see how. His name was Rio. Rio was very quiet. Too quiet sometimes. He avoided eye contact. He hated speaking. He feared attention. Every morning, silence. Every class, silence. Every question, silence. People called him shy. He believed them. One day, new class, a teacher arrived. Her voice was warm. "Speak one word," she said. Rio froze. His heart raced. "Just one word." Silence again. He whispered, "Hi." Class didn't laugh. Nobody mocked him. They simply listened. Something shifted inside, a tiny spark, very tiny, but real. Next day, 2 words. I try. Next week, full sentence. I want to try. He practiced every day, short words, slow words, brave words. He failed many times. Voice cracked, mind froze, hands trembled.
Repairing Rio!
Still, he continued. Still, he tried. Still, he grew. He joined a club, speaking club. Small room, warm people. Everyone was nervous. Everyone was learning. Everyone was kind. Rio listened first. Then he spoke, little by little. His voice grew. His courage grew. His confidence grew. One day, presentation day, his hands shook. Heart pounded loudly. He stepped forward. He faced everyone. He started speaking. "Hello, everyone." Voice steady. No shaking now. No hiding now. He felt alive. People listened. Really listened. They nodded. They smiled. He finished strong. The room clapped. He couldn't believe it. He actually spoke. He actually did it. That day changed everything. He wasn't invisible. He was heard. Not perfect, not loud, but brave. And that mattered most. Confidence isn't instant. It grows slowly, step by step, word by word. If this inspired you, smile now. Try one brave thing. just one today. Then come back. Tell me what happened.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.